separate political conversations going on tonight.
Both conversations could very well shift the look of gay marriage in our state. The first is this. The Buncombe County Register of Deeds in Asheville says he will accept marriage license applications from same-sex couples.
Now, here's a video from a sit-in there last year. The Attorney General's office says it cannot legally grant the licenses, but that's not keeping people from showing up tomorrow to apply. Now, that statement from the Attorney General's office coming on the same day news broke that Cooper himself supports same-sex marriage. His statement now coming under fire, critics saying the Attorney General is putting his political aspirations ahead of his duties as defender of the state's laws. Our Derek Waller digs deeper into the controversy.
Cooper's recent support for same-sex marriage has Raleigh couple Don Davis and Nick Polston overjoyed.
That's definitely great.
It's fantastic news. We're really happy about it.
Over the weekend, Cooper, who said he will seek the Democratic nomination for governor in 2016, told the Associated Press, "I support same-sex marriage." Today, his political adversaries quickly pounced.
Now, he thinks he can go before a federal judge and say, "Judge, this law is fine. I'm against it. It makes no sense. It's crazy, but please uphold it." That is damaging to his client, the people of the state of North Carolina.
Republican State House Representative Skip Stam says he hopes the General Assembly will find someone else to defend the state when a lawsuit over the 2012 marriage amendment brought on by the ACLU finally makes its way to federal court.
He can't speak for the state since his opinion now is exactly contrary to the Constitution of the state of North Carolina.
It's the same legal route Republicans are taking in defending the state's new voting laws. But that doesn't make it right, says NC State political scientist Stephen Green.
That is his job as the Attorney General, and I'm sure there are all sorts of policies he's defending on a regular basis that he may not personally agree with.
A fact not lost on Davis and Polston. Happy Cooper's come out for marriage equality, but realistic about the pace of change.
He's still going to have to do his job and defend the law, but we're very encouraged with the progress that we're making in the state.
And we did reach out to the Attorney General today, but Penn, we were told he was out of town.
Back to Skip Stam. He thinks that Cooper's doing this on purpose so he wouldn't have to defend the law in court?
Yeah, it's kind of an interesting theory, but basically that, he's making these statements so that the General Assembly has no choice but to get extra representation. Now, of course, Cooper would say that his opinion about this doesn't matter, that he is charged with defending the state's laws, and he says that's what he's going to do.
All right, the conversation continues, Derek. Thank you.